In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on R6 Marketplace. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do to enable two-step verification using your email address is to go to Account Management from home page, choose the Security tile, and in the two-step verification section, select Activate. After that, go ahead, select email, then choose. Then you will receive a verification code to the email address currently associated with your Ubisoft Microsoft. Then enter the security code from the email and select submit. You will be then able to add recovery phone number to your account, and once the feature is successfully set up, 6 recovery codes will be sent to your email. Then take screenshots of the codes or copy them and store them in a secure place. You can change your verification method, manage your trusted devices, and you can do this through a mobile app phone as well. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.